my goals. Hey Big Dreamers, it's me Danyah Bug, and today we're going to begin a series about journaling. We're going to have several parts, so stay tuned for all the parts. Journaling is a powerful self-help tool that is gaining popularity. You can purchase a variety of journals online from stores such as Amazon as well as in bookshops. Coaches and therapists also use journaling to help clients. It is also incredibly easy to journal on your own with just a plain notebook. However, all journaling has one thing in common, and that is writing. So, how can you journal if you hate writing? You can draw pictures like me. From simple to elaborate, any kind of picture that expresses your emotions and situation will help. I'm going to show you a picture that I drew. So, here's my picture. So there's a tree right here, the sun, and a little house. The clouds have a little bit of shade on them. And the fish are coming by. No, not coming by. Coming back from the nearby lake. Man. After you've drawn the picture, you can label and annotate it. If you leave a blank page opposite your drawing, then you can come back and review it at a later date and jot down any additional thoughts, emotions, and responses. Quite often, this simple method will actually get you writing quickly. Why not try using different pens or pencils to make your journaling more interesting and exciting? You can also use diagrams. If you're journaling about a problem, then you might consider using a diagram such as a mind map or decision tree. Diagrams are powerful because they are visual and help you to see patterns and connections more easily. If you are trying to make a decision, then you can illustrate the different outcomes and results to help you formulate the best decision. Adding in color not only makes them more attractive, but can highlight connections. You can also use prompts. Using a simple prompt such as a word or question can help break the blank page syndrome and inspire you to unburden yourself onto the empty page in front of you. It's important that you don't feel that you have to write a lot or even in full sentences. The journal and act of journaling has to relate to your needs at that moment in time, and this will vary day to day. You could consider purchasing a journal designed for the specific use you need. There are lots of weight loss, gratitude, and gladness, and other journals available. Many of these will include prompts and recording methods that don't require lots of writing. You can also create a collage. Get some magazines or newspapers and cut out words, phrases, paragraphs, or even articles that relate to your situations or emotions at that particular point in time. Add in pictures that you find that could demonstrate how you are feeling or want to feel. Again, you can annotate it to make it truly personal. Leave a blank page so that you can revisit and review at a later time. And add motivational journal. Speak it. While writing using a pen and paper is probably the most powerful method of journaling, you can also use dictation software such as Dragon. You'll need the software and a computer with a microphone to use this method. It may be easier to start your journaling journey by speaking to the computer and imagining you are talking to a friend or just yourself. Or you can be like me and talk to your stuffed animals. The software will write what you say, and you can save the document so that you can review it later. You may decide to keep your journaling electronically, in which case you can review it and add in later thoughts and feelings by typing or dictating through the speech recognition software. Or you may decide to print it out and keep it in a binder. If you do print it out, then you have the opportunity to embellish it or make additional notes on the hard copy. Be flexible. Journaling does not have to be undertaken by every day for a set period of time if that does not suit you. Many people journal every day for 20 minutes, as that is the method that suits them best. However, it may be that once a week is enough. Alternatively, you may decide that you will journal when you feel you need it. Some days, it may be that you choose to use a prompt or a picture to kickstart your writing. Other days, you may find that the words flow and you can write without stopping. The important points to remember are that the journal is a personal document designed to help you, and that is designed to be used and revised. It's a living document, and there is no right or wrong way to create or use it. And let me show you something new that I got. My journal. I finally got it, and now it's here. So when you get it, it won't have this gray line across it. It only has the gray line just because it's the author's copy. So it's called the What Do I Want journal. A journal designed for dreaming big and creating the life you want. It says, welcome to the What Do I Want journal. This journal belongs to whatever your name is. You can put that there, and the date received. You can also put 5 things I am grateful for, and my vision board page, as I talked about earlier, as creating a collage. It's also known as a vision board. So, has another vision board page, and calendar for the month. And this calendar, not calendar, well, you can use it as a calendar, but this journal is monthly. So, has my affirmation, I'm capable of manifesting the future I want. It's basically, all the affirmations in here are based on the affirmations that I said in my animated affirmations video. So, what are 5 kind things I can do this month? And there's an I am page. You can write how you feel, how you want to feel, who you think you are. Hang on. There's another page for extra things, and there's a coloring page right here, and it says choose joy. So, check out my stuff in the link below to get this journal right here, right now, and just click the link below. So, like, share, and subscribe so we can do this. I'm smashing all my goals.